guys, magluluto tayo ngayon ng head ng grouper with some mushroom. Let's fry our fish until it is light golden brown, and then add our onion and ginger. And then leave it until the smell comes out and the onion is translucent. And then, tapos mag-iinit tayo ng ating clay pot at ang ginamit ko dito ay yung aking frozen na tomato. Frozen minced garlic para pag nagluluto, ready na siya. Maganda siya, yung very traditional yung labas. And then, I add my baked beans. Alam mo guys, masarap ito kasi maghahalo yung mga lasa nila later on. Mag-incorporate in every ingredients. And then, after that, add up na natin yung ating grouper head. Diba? Lahat ng kung anong meron doon sa pan guys, uubusin natin yun. And then, we add our shrimp. Diba? Tapos ito yung pickled bamboo shoot to guys. Maganda ang alam mo, napakasarap pag naano na sila naluto, lahat ng lasa ng ingredients natin mag-incorporate. Tapos ito fried tofu at saka yung ating fresh mushroom. So kung ano yung available na fresh mushroom sa inyo, pwede nyo naman na yun ang ihahalo ninyo. So I added 3 kinds of fresh mushroom here guys. And then I will simmer it for 5 minutes. Tapos takpan na natin. Don't worry kung masyado siyang puno kasi mamaya pag kumulo yan, naluto na yung ating mga mushroom. Magko-compact din naman yan. Hindi na siya puno. Yan, after 15 minutes, i-check natin. At saka, hindi ko nalagay yung video. After this one, I added seaweed guys. Tapos, ayan, tingnan nyo, makikita nyo, mayroon siyang medyong itim. Seaweed na yan siya. So, this is almost ready. Ayan, oo nga pala, ready na siya. And it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.